Assalamu alaikum ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 15 from Madani Qaida. Today we will learn Idgham Shafawi. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what is Idgham Shafawi rule, what is Mim Sakin, what is Gunna, what is the duration or length of gunna, how do we pronounce the Idgham Shafawi rule in an Arabic accent. We will find the answers of all these questions in this lesson with example. Let's start. What is Idgham Shafawi? Idgham Shafawi is the first rule of Mim Sakin. When after a Mim Sakin another Mim comes, Idgham Shafawi is done within the Mim Sakin, that is Gunna is done. I repeat, what is Idgham Shafawi? Idgham Shafawi is the first rule of Mim Sakin. When after a Mim Sakin another Mim comes, Idgham Shafawi is done within the Mim Sakin, that is Gunna is done. What is Mim Sakin and what is Gunna we will learn in this lesson as well. What is Mim Sakin? Any letter which has this sign is called Jazm sign, that letter is called Sakin letter. Here Mim is Sakin letter because Mim has Jazm sign on it. What is Gunna? Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. What is the duration or length of Gunna? The duration of Gunna should be equal to 1 alif. How do we pronounce the Idgham Shafawi rule in an Arabic accent? How do we perform the Idgham Shafawi rule in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the Idgham Shafawi with Gunna in Arabic accent. We pronounce the Idgham Shafawi with Gunna in an Arabic accent. Let's see the example of Idgham Shafawi. Here after Mim Sakin and then another Mim comes. Here Idgham Shafawi rule is happen. How do we pronounce Idgham Shafawi in an Arabic accent? We pronounce Idgham Shafawi with Gunna, and the duration of Gunna or the length of Gunna is equal to 1 alif. Let's learn with spelling. Hamza खड़ा ज़बर आ, ता या ज़बर तई, तई ता पेश तू, तई तू, काफ मीम मीम पेश कुम, तई तू कुम, मीम नून ज़ेर मिन, तई तू कुम मिन, कफ ज़ेर की, ता खड़ा ज़बर ता की ता, बा टू ज़ेर बिन की ता बिन, आतैतुकुम मिन किताबिन, आतैतुकुम मिन किताबिन. Here we perform Gunna because here is idgham shafawi rule is happening. آتيتكم من kitabin. This is the example of idgham shafawi rule. In coming videos, inshallah, we will learn more example of idgham shafawi. Thanks for watching. Kindly share my video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.